Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are well. Today we read the story of Chicken Licken from English Reader book. One evening, Chicken Licken was walking in the woods. Suddenly, a walnut fell on his head. Goodness gracious, the sky is falling, I must tell the king, Chicken Licken said, and Chicken Licken thought that the sky is falling. Chicken Licken going to the king. On the way, Chicken Licken met with Henny Penny. Henny Penny asked to Chicken Licken, "Where are you going, Chicken Licken?" Chicken Licken said, "Oh, Henny Penny, I was walking in the wood when the sky fell upon my head. I'm going to tell the king about it." "Yes, we must tell the king about it. I will come with you," Henny Penny said. Then Henny Penny and Chicken Licken going to the king. On the way, Chicken Licken and Henny Penny met with a Ducky Lucky. Then Ducky Lucky said, "Where are you going, Chicken Licken and Henny Penny?" "Oh, Ducky Lucky, Chicken Licken was walking in the wood when the sky fell upon his head," Henny Penny said. Then Henny Penny said, "We are going to tell the king about it." Then Duck said, "Yes, we must tell the king about it. I will come with you."
Then Henny Penny, Ducky Lucky and Chicken Licken going to the king. On the way they met with Goose Moose. Then Goose Moose asked, "Where are you going, Ducky Lucky, Chicken Licken and Henny Penny?" Then Ducky Lucky said, "Oh, Goose Moose, Chicken Licken was walking in the woods when the sky fell upon his head. We are going to tell the king about it," Ducky Lucky said. Then Goose Moose said, "Yes, we must tell the king about it. I will come with you."
And Chicken Licken, Ducky Lucky, Goose Moose, Henny Penny going to the king. On the way, they met with Wise Owl. Wise Owl asked them, "Where are you going, Goose Moose, Ducky Lucky, Chicken Licken and Henny Penny?" Then Goose Moose said, "Oh, Wise Owl, Chicken Licken was walking in the woods when the sky fell upon his head." Then Wise Owl asked, "Really? Did you see the sky fall upon Chicken Licken's head?" Then Goose Moose said, "No, Wise Owl, I did not see, but Ducky Lucky told me that the sky had fallen upon Chicken Licken's head." Then Wise Owl asked Ducky Lucky, "Did you see the sky fall upon Chicken Licken's head?" Then Ducky Lucky said, "No, Wise Owl, I did not see, but Henny Penny told me that the sky had fallen upon Chicken Licken's head." Then Owl asked to Henny Penny, "Henny Penny, did you see the sky fallen upon Chicken Licken's head?" Then Henny Penny said, "No, Wise Owl, I did not see, but the Chicken Licken told me that the sky has fallen upon his head." Then Wise Owl asked to Chicken Licken, "Chicken Licken, did the sky fall on your head?" Then Chicken Licken said, "Well, yes, I think so. I was walking in the wood and suddenly the sky fell upon my head." Then Wise Owl said, "Can you take us to the place where it happened?" Then Chicken Licken said, "Oh, yes, I will take all of you there. Come with me. It was here where the sky Then it must be the sky which has fallen on my head," Chicken Licken said. Then Owl said, "No, Chicken Licken, look here. It is a walnut. It is a walnut. It was not the sky which fell on Chicken Licken's head. It was a nut. We should not believe things unless we see them for ourselves." Owl said to this to all Chicken Licken, Henny Penny, Ducky Lucky, Goose Moose. Here this story is over, and we learned from this lesson is we should not believe things unless we see them for ourselves. Do some book activity. Here B, answer these questions. This question answer we will do later. Then C, tick the correct option. Here options are given there. You just read this story and find the correct word which is suitable here and tick it. Then D letter is, can the sky really fall? Circle the things that can fall from the sky. Here words are given, we just circle the things that can fall from the sky. Like first one is rain, here circle it, circle this. Then here snow, then hail and shooting star. These things can fall from the sky. Then come to next page. Here F letter, replace the highlighted words with his, her, its, their. Here highlighted words are like chicken lickens, the walnuts, chicken lickens, henny penny, goose moose, the wise owls. All these words you just replace this word, and in this place you just use his, her, its, their. So your homework is letter C and F in your book, and read this story yourself. Thank you.